Hey guys, today I'm gonna take you along on what I eat in a day as a busy mom, working mom, and then also homeschooling. So we're right now in summer break, so obviously it's not the same thing, but I still have my to-do list that is really long and plenty of things to do. So let's get started. So welcome back to my channel, Homeschooling Paradise, and welcome if you're new. My name is Magali and I have a 4 and a 6 years old and we live in Hawaii. So in this video, like I said, it's gonna be me sharing what I eat in a day as a busy mom, and sometimes it's hard to find what to eat and things like that when we're all so busy with the kids, and sometimes we forget to take the time to eat, but I think it's so important to nourish your body with really good food. We're in the afternoon right now, but I'm gonna show you what I ate this morning. I filmed already, and usually I always take my fiber, but I was out this morning. It just arrived like an hour ago in the mail from Mel Lucas. I'm super happy with it. I cannot go without it. But so this morning I took the Super Ream. My husband got it at work. He's a fitness instructor at the Hyatt, and he just got it from, I don't know from where. So we don't always take that, but this morning I ate that. And then I had banana. We have the apple bananas here in Kauai, so delicious. And then I had a muffin, a chocolate muffin, veggie, really good. I'm gonna put the link of the recipe down below because it is amazing, and that my kids can eat it whenever they want for breakfast. I can eat it because it is just so good. I did it with almond flour and almond milk, so it is gluten-free and dairy-free, and then it has beets, carrots, and spinach, so just so good for you. So that was this morning around 8 o'clock, and then after that for around like 11, I think we had like a snack kind of. I made a smoothie, a green smoothie. I'm gonna put the recipe as well below. That's from my workout plan, the Glow Body PT. I'm gonna share with you though. It's really amazing. Any green, I use the one in my tower garden. I have a lot. So we kale or collard green, if not a spinach. Sometimes I do it. And then mango and pineapple. I had some yesterday that they were gonna go bad too much. The fresh one, so I froze it to make smoothie. If not, usually I always buy it at Costco. So I made bread. Yesterday I made bread, but we had some toast with cream cheese and marmalade on top. So the bread that I make it home, and it's really an easy recipe. I'm also gonna put the link below because I didn't know how to make bread before, but I found that recipe and it's really good. And then for lunch, I made a salad. I made two, but just to have extra, another one for another day. So my salad, lettuce from the garden, and then spinach, eggs, cherry tomatoes, bell pepper seeds that I buy from Costco, and then salt and pepper, and then chicken. Usually I prefer with lunch meat. That's what I prefer. And then the dressing that I had, it was balsamic. So we went outside we stopped like in a area where the kids play outside, and I just relaxed, and I had some things to do, to write down and read my book, and then I had my lunch there. And then right now I'm gonna go to work. It's almost 4 o'clock, and over there I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna order. I'm gonna order something to eat over there. That's what I usually do. Like when I work, I just cannot like come back home and then eat at like 10:30. It's just too late, so I like to order my food there and then eat there if possible. And then yes, I'll show you what I got. So I hope that maybe it gave you some idea. I always struggle for breakfast. That's the one that I struggle the most. Dinner, when we're home, then I just cook dinner and things like that. But let me know in the comment what you struggle with, and if you like skip meals or anything like that. I would love to hear from you guys. And then make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Thank you so much for being here. Make sure to go check out the playlist because this is a collaboration hosted by myself, and I'll see you next time. Bye.